That microwave got on my freaking last nerves yesterday. Blew 4 fuses, replaced the door switches, and it worked after I replaced the door switches. It worked a couple times, open and shut the door, you know, no problem, until I got everything back together. That last time I pulled the door open, pop fuse. That it's somebody's been in there multiple times, because there's so much of that plastic that's broke, that's missing multiple screws, blah 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 blah. Plus it's caked in grease. That's what I hate. But anyways, so I had one, of course you probably see it in the back of the car. I had one in the shed. I guess emergency backup. Well, it's emergency, so we're gonna go swap that out. It's got 2 screws in the top of the cabinet. You undo those, the microwave flips forward, you pull the cord down, slide it over out of the way, sit the new one in on the rack, set the same screws right back in the same hole. Hopefully that's the same exact microwave. Anyways, that's all there is to it. So this is a Frigidaire, what I took out was a GE, different wall mount. Technically it should work. I already held up the wall mount, so let's give it a shot. Theory, it should work. Drill a hole out just a little bit so that bolt goes straight down. It's in the trap. Yep, it's in the trap. Grease. Full of grease. See all that white? That's all grease. Full of grease. Fold it. Let water run down it. I tighten that up. Let's see if it leaks. Today's little trick is brought to you by I Kicked the Door In. I'm going to show you guys how to repair a door that's been kicked in. If you've got all the pieces, man, it makes your life freaking easy. But let's go to it, man. The door trim is split, so we're going to take this off, bow it out. We're going to take the trim off and re-secure it. Should be fine, man. Be fine.
It's one of the most expensive things in the world on the account of its rather liberally applied precious metals and its decoration. Obviously, a car would not be any good at all if it did not have an interior that was swathed in platinum, gold, and silver.
There we go.
Of course, diamonds.
We put it right back together,
Lots of diamonds.
right the way it came apart.
Didn't just hide themselves away inside this car. They were implemented across the
Self-tapper.
interior as well, finding their way into LED optics and generally adorning it.
Well, make sure you get it in there. Ooh, it look cold out today for this. It look cold out there today for this.
I know, man. They're thinking like, damn, I feel bad.
Take it drill. Make sure your door's back where it was. There we go. It'll actually be stronger than it was when I'm done with it. Okay, it's all back together already. What we need to do is put the trim back on. Looks like brand new. Let me reset the latch. You know, it's the only good thing about them little screws that they put these together with is that it'll split the frame. It'll split the door trim versus. That's all right. I have to fix that too. Versus what I just did. Well, that's all right. There we go. Looks good. Now it's got the longer screws in there. Now if someone tries to kick in the door, they're going to do a whole lot of damage trying to get in here. You know what I'm saying? So, because now the latch goes all the way in. It's got 3-inch screws in there. Oh, they'll get in, but they're going to a whole lot more noise. You know, but we'll get you some caulk and paint, man. Get that all cleaned back up for you. I don't know if you got a slider for this. But